Hello everyone, just a quick guide on stacking and floating. First you want to select cabins, place one down, and then place a second cabin next to it. Then pressing X on PlayStation 3 and I believe it's A on Xbox, you want to pick up the second cabin like this and just float it and stack it on top like that. You can keep doing this over and over again until you've effectively built a little tower. I use cabins because I find them the easiest to stack, but any flat top object generally does the trick. Once you've stacked high enough, you can then also start experimenting and using different objects, including weapons. So I can go ahead and stack a parachute by doing the same thing, placing one down, hovering over it, pressing X, editing, and stacking on top. You can also do this with spawn points, moving back over, and then if you want to, going back into props, you can then start deleting, which gives you the floating effect. In order to create what I did for my maps, Falling Angels and Lucifer's Fall, what I do is I create a spawn point, make sure I've got two containers on top of each other. I delete that container, leaving a floating spawn point. Go back into weapons, select the parachute, and then make sure it's lined up directly underneath the spawn point, like that. I'd usually take a bit more time, but that looks pretty good. Going back into props, delete the cabin, and there I have a spawn point with a parachute that will catch you. There's plenty of other things you can do with stacking and floating. Have fun. See you online.